What's up, guys? I've been waiting for this box for so long. This keyboard's really hard to get because, well, they're hard to come in stock anyways. Like, they're never in stock. I'm surprised I found it when I did. I got the MX Cherry Brown switches. I don't know if you can see that well. MX Cherry Brown switches, and I just opened this bad boy up. I don't really have. Ooh. Little dust cover. Okay. I just switched the thing. What does this come out of? Damn. How tiny this is, bro. Look, it's my hand. Oh my god, look at my hand, bro. Well, I have big hands too, so. A little sound test. Oh, I like how it has a space. Oh, this is so cool. Shift key. I think. Pretty cool. A little user manual. I'm gonna keep this because soon I'm gonna fuck something up. Authentication form, I believe. Maybe. I don't know. USB-C wired cable to connect it. Keycap puller. So I could customize keycaps. I got a year of the year of the pig. Yeah, it's alright. I want a year of the dog, but you know. It is an added space for us, so I gotta be grateful for that. And I know my friends know this, but I was like, fuck, dude, I really want the yellow keycaps. The brown's making a little bit of an impression on, the red. The red's making a little bit of an impression on me right now. I'll use the red for now. Yeah, I'll use the red for now. Yeah. I'm gonna put these on right now. I also saw on mechanical keyboards you can order the yellow ones. So I'm gonna use the yellow ones, but the red looks pretty sick too. It's not that bad. Alright, let me just put this over here. I'm gonna get a time lapse of me putting the keycaps on. Also, just before I start that, this is my old keyboard. It's a HyperX FPS Alloy Pro 10 keyless. And it's a little more clicky. It's a little bit bigger too because of the F keys. And it uses micro USB, not Type C, so that's alright, you know, it's not that bad, but whatever. And the only problem is when I would play, when I would go like this, when I would build, I'd go like this. And they're kind of annoying, and this is like skadoosh, you know, it's like smoothly go around it. And this is adjustable kickstands. I don't know, this one all around is just pretty sick to me. I can't wait to customize it in the future. I'm gonna try customizing it by getting the Taiho rubber keycaps. I don't know. I was originally planning on getting yellow ones. Cause the yellow ones are pretty sick. Like these aren't bad, but they're like the yellow ones are sick as fuck. So yeah. Alright, I guess I'm gonna have a time of me putting keycaps on. I hope you guys enjoy it. Alright guys, about to plug this beautiful bad boy in. Also, like, I was gonna make these arrow keys, but I realized that they didn't fit. They weren't meant for that, but they were included. So yeah, What the fuck? I don't know. Sick as fuck. Alright, first time typing, guys. I definitely understand why people use browns. It's like not a... I don't know, it's like... It's weird. It's weird. I definitely understand that. Cause like... It's not as loud. It's like... Still tactile. So it's like... Weird. I'm gonna try this out. But I imagine it being pretty good. Also, when I was messing around with this and I was like, yeah, these don't fit. So it's like, whatever. And yeah, I'm a little upset about the year of the pig spacebar. I mean, it's pretty sick, but year of the dog was way sicker. But yeah, whatever. Hopefully I can play around with the macros. You see like all these little thingies right here. Hopefully I get to play around with the macros. But yeah, it's gonna be my unboxing video for the Ducky 1-2 Mini. Nice keyboard. I might post some clips with me using it. Maybe. No, actually, I'll post those clips later when I live stream. I'll use this in my stream though. I'm gonna be using this from now on. But yeah. Alright guys, if you liked the video, if you were to like the video, and if you haven't already subscribed, really appreciate it. You know, you help me. I actually bought this one when YouTube didn't pay for it, but. You know what? It's nice, you know, subscribing's nice, you know, appreciate it. Alright, see you later, guys. Enjoy the rest of your night, day, or whatever you're doing.